Hey guys, aloha. I'm out taking my morning walk this morning. I thought I'd share a little tidal pool with you. It's always fun to see little tidal pools and just whatever life is in them. This morning there's a bunch of little fish, so I'll see if I can share that with you. Hang on. Where'd you guys go? There you are. Bunch of little black spot damselfish and not sure what all. Sometimes when they're itty bitty like this, it's really hard to tell what they are. You never know what you're going to find in the tidal pools. This morning, right now, it's just these little fish. Sometimes there's urchins, sometimes there's starfish, sometimes little tiny octopus or nudibranches, hermit crabs. You just never know. Fascinating stuff. I love it. Well, enjoy your day. Hope you enjoyed this Maui moment. We'll see you next time. Aloha.